Morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Are you awake? Because the Lord in the gospel says, stay awake. But my dear sisters and brothers, I think the focus of the gospel, aside from inviting us to stay awake and be on guard, is not to relax in doing good works. Alam nyo, marami siguro sa inyo, kapag New Year, may ginagawang New Year resolution. Next year, magsisimula na akong mag-exercise. Yan. O next year, sisimulan ko ng mag-diet. Ayan. January 1, no? O December 31, pagpatak ng midnight, mangangako, gagawin ang mga ganito. 1 week into New Year, nagagawa pa. Jogging, running, walking, diet, kasi gustong maging fit. After January, wala na. No? Sasabihin, ang hirap eh. And that is where we sometimes fall when we say, it cannot be done. Talagang hindi kaya. Doon pumapasok ang demonyo. Sasabihin sa iyo ng demonyo, give up. Hindi mo na talaga kaya yan. Mahirap talagang gawin yan. Sisiraan tayo ng loob. I-discourage tayo. Sasabihin, hindi natin yan kaya. So, anong panglaban natin doon? Well, isang brother ang pumunta sa kanyang abot at ang sabi niya, abot, I fail many times. In my desire to do good, I fail many times. In my desire to pray, I fail many times. What do I do? And the abbot said, well, get up. If you fall, get up. What if I fall again and again? And the abbot said, well, get up again and again. And the brother asked, until when I will get up? And the abbot said, until your death. Until the end. Minsan, ang ganda ng ating mga resolution, pero hindi natin nagagawa. Ang paalaala sa atin ay, kapag nadapa, tumayo muli. Kapag nagkamali, tumindig muli. Sapagkat hindi natin pwedeng hayaan na lagi lamang tayong nakadapa. Today is the feast of Saint Augustine. You know, Saint Augustine, the son of Saint Monica, was not holy from the very beginning. He lived a life of sin. Kaya nga iyak ng iyak si Santa Monica eh. Dasal ng dasal si Santa Monica sa Diyos para magbago si San Agustin. Sa bandang huli, dininig ng Diyos ang panalangin ni Santa Monica. Hindi lamang si San Agustin, hindi lamang siya naging Kristiyano, he converted to Christianity. Hindi lang yun. Siya'y naging banal, nagpari, naging obispo pa, at ngayon, kinikilala nating isang santong nasa langit. Kung nagawa ni San Agustin na tumayo mula sa kanyang pagkadapa, magagawa din natin ang tumayo mula sa ating pagkakamali sa tulong ng biyaya ng Diyos. You know, Saint Augustine is a prolific writer. Ang dami-dami niyang sinulat. Ang dami-dami niyang mga sermon. Pero may nakita ako sa isang resources, sabi ni Saint Augustine, when Christ comes back to judge us, He does not expect to find us victorious. He expects to find us fighting. So sabi ni San Agustin, pagbalik daw ni Jesus para tayo ay hatulan, hindi niya hinaasahang makita tayong nagtatagumpay, kundi inaasahan niyang makita tayong lumalaban. Don't give up. Do not get discouraged. When you fall, get up again and again. Amen.